Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, hello, hello.
Next. I'm sure you recognize the faces, but you wouldn't know the name behind it. That's next one. I'm sure you've seen some of these ads and pictures in the media, but you just didn't know the person. This was a rescue job for the Cannes Film Festival. Our elitist designers refused to dress him up because he was not famous enough and not the body type that they wanted or not the skin tone that they wanted. So this suit was done in 2 days with coaching of how to. Okay, I'll hold this slide. When I'm talking to you about body types, so I have lived a journey from being anorexic, I'm in the center. That's me, I was size -0, that is 23 waist. So you have to understand that changes in your body happen all the time for various reasons. So size 0 and then a little normal and then plus size. Okay, so I've lived whatever we are going to talk about. Next slide. That's why I like people to see it, to understand that anyone can gain weight and anyone can lose weight. And it's not important to do either. Next. Stage. So costumes for stage are more challenging. You don't have a second chance. Here you take a selfie, it's not good, you delete, click again, delete, click again. When it's a live show, you don't have a chance. So just no pressure, just trying to get you prepared for the 21st. I'm sure you've seen that movie called Bhootnath 1. So the songs in it were done by me, and this was a very popular show on TV called Mad. Who didn't watch Mad? Everyone watched it. So the look was created. So when we talk about styling, so designing is, I think that's the last slide. Yes, okay, embroidery. And they create a look, put it on the hanger, job done. Okay, so you buy a brand, they're going to sell you the outfit, they're not going to sell you the idea of how to wear it. They're not going to tell you that this dress will not look good on you, or this kind of is to sell. So that's when enter the stylist. So today, not all designers are stylists and not all stylists can design. Clear there? Okay. Now when we talk about our body types, we have line. Not all small shoulders have a small bust line. And the lower half of the body, that is from the waist downwards, is heavier. So the triangle is also called a pear shape. You must have heard of it, right? So when we talk about the triangle, it is more weight going to the lower half of the body. The second type the second body shape we have is the inverted triangle. So when we talk about the inverted triangle, all the weight is to the top half of your torso, like broad shoulders, okay? Broad shoulders, large bust line, narrow waist, and maybe very, very narrow hips, thin legs. So all these are a little fixed rule, fixed rules that we write down as designers that, okay, triangle is this or inverted triangle is this. But you have to understand that everyone is individual. So there are times where you won't fit into a body shape completely. You might be a combination. The third body shape we talk about is rectangle. So I hope no one's a rectangle. You can't be. A rectangle is a very, very curveless body. Okay, so it's more boyish, more athletic, more, you could say, children till the age of 11, especially girls. Till the age of 11 and 12, you are a rectangle where the curves haven't developed yet. Okay, but there are times, a few unfortunate ones, the curves don't develop towards the latter part of their lives too. So we create an illusion of the curves. The next body type is the rectangle, where the shoulders are narrow, the waist is narrow, the hips are narrow. It's like just one straight line. At times you're walking in the mall and you see a girl and say, what is this? There's no curve, or there's no waist. So indirectly it means that the person hasn't dressed right. So you could see the body shape. So today you're trying to hide your body shape and create an illusion. After the rectangle, we talk about the most popular or the highest selling body shape. That's the hourglass. So the hourglass is almost 50% of every country. So you have a larger bust line, you have a very narrow waist, and you have a curved hip line. So most of the times in the hourglass, the bust line and the hip line is the same. You might see like 34, 24, 34. So you get that shape, right? So there's a shaping of 10 inches, which is brilliant. Yeah, not appreciated everywhere, but when fashion actually started, the hourglass was the figure to be. The next body shape I'm going to talk about, I don't know if you've heard it. Okay, it's called the diamond. Okay, now people don't talk about diamond, but I talk about it. So the diamond shape is a little similar to a plus size, where all the weight is distributed between the center of the torso. So all your weight is between the bust and the hips. Okay, so all the weight's there. It's not necessary that you have heavy thighs or heavy legs, but most of the weight is between the center, like abdomen, the stomach region. Okay, so you have your body shapes. Now when we talk about, we have our time limits, so I'm going to give you an overview of everything, right? And of course, I'm available if you need more questions and more answers later also. I'll give you my number. So, hourglass, but we have a nice tall model, so we might as well get her in the frame. Okay, so when you have the hourglass, you have the bust and the hip, the same measurement, okay? And the waist is very narrow. So automatically, you can wear almost a lot of waist defining outfits like belts, chains, okay? And since you have the bust line, you bring all the attention from the waist and above, okay? Unless you're very proud of the hip line, then you can go below the waist, or else you bring all the attention above. Like she's wearing an off shoulder, wear an off shoulder. So automatically camouflages the heavy bust line, okay? Wear an off shoulder, have a little chain with a nice pendant. So all focus is here, and it's a single color. Okay, so when it's a single color, you can do a lot of changes. But when you have a double color, it immediately draws attention to the hemline. So if you have two outfits, automatically you know that this is the person's waist, this is the hip, this is the rest of the body. Okay, go back. Okay, the next shape, round, and diamond I could fit into both. So in that you have all your waist, all your weight in the center. That's in your abdomen, your waist, your hips, your thighs. The bones will come back, okay, and go again. But currently we are in a state of chaos because I like golden skin. Okay, in fashion, tan skin, golden skin is beauty internationally. But in India, there's mixed reaction, right? So, yeah, in Asia, or rather, not even in Asia, in India, even the Chinese and all that, they're like, thank you so much. So don't worry about it. Hi, Shraddha. I love your dress. I've been waiting to tell you, but you've been zooming around. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Excuse me, your center look please.
एक मिनट हाँ, कहाँ देखना है बता दो, नहीं तो हम सब अलग देख रहे हैं। हाँ, फोटो बराबर नहीं आती फिर।
Ready? Done? Yeah. Now look my camera. एक ये बैकड्रॉप पे लेंगे. Hold. Thank you. Excuse me here.
Introduce yourself first.
Hi, I'm Reema. I'm a costume designer, celebrity fashion stylist, a fashion coach. I have over 3 decades of experience. The session here at Indian Brainy Beauty was fabulous, all thanks to Archana Jain and Rabia Patel. This is a one-of-its-kind beauty pageant where we have age groups from 16 to 65. There's no rules of skin type or color or body shape or your marital status, your height, and other points that are so important in other beauty pageants. And other beauty pageants, you need people to measured to the standards of being like a glorified mannequin, where you have the perfect teeth, every part of your body there's like zero scar and not one hair out of place, and that's so plastic and so mannequin type. I mean, you might as well hire the mannequin and get them to walk on the run. So here, this is a real show for real people. You have real beauties, you have talent, which is actually highlighted because everyone does not come in a package. You're all short and sweet or tall or fat, or you're in all, we can't say fat, sorry. Okay, so we have all kinds of sizes. Today my session was about effective and elegant dressing as per your body shape. And you have to understand that you cannot lose or gain weight overnight, but effectively, if you dress with the right optical illusion, you can generate the right reactions.
Ma'am, what do you want to say to the all the contestants?
I would like to tell the contestants to be, very, very confident about the way they are, the way they walk, the way they talk, dress. Do not get influenced by whatever is said by XYZ. Just do your thing, be confident, confident in your skin, be confident in your shape. Make sure that you don't let stress overtake you.
Correct.
Okay, because we're in a very challenging period.
Correct.
Yeah, we're going through a very challenging time with the pandemic, and every day is a challenge to survive. So apart from to survive you need confidence. Confidence is what is actually going to keep you going.
Thank you. Thank you. About the session.
My name is Malloy Chakravarti, and I'm a business coach with Beyond Red Ocean Consulting. I founded Beyond Red Ocean about 6 years back with the objective of transforming people. Got to know Archana about 5-6 years, more than that, about 10 years back. And through various times and forum, we have got known to each other. And one thing that amazes me about Archana is her passion to do new things every single time, right? Yeah. India Brainy Beauty, which was launched last year, and I had the pleasure of being associated with it. The reason I got associated with India Brainy Beauty was that concept, that of a woman being a wholesome person rather than being an external superficial beauty, right? That was what was very attractive to me, and that's how we got attached. She has been telling me to do this program. I did it last year. I'm going to do it this year, and it's all about I as the personal brand. Because if you are not a personal brand, if you can't sell yourself, if you can't stand up in the world and say, this is who I am and this is what I want to achieve, then nobody else in life will give you anything else in life. We always keep on telling people, if you don't have a plan for yourself, you will always be living your life of somebody else's plan. Please don't do that. Have a life for yourself, have a plan for yourself, and do well in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right. Okay, straight. Go back. Bend back. Go back. Stretch. Touch your toes. Wow, awesome. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much. Thank God for saying only female version. I thought my company has been taken over by somebody. My employees will tomorrow have a new boss. और मेरी तो नौकरी गई. मैडम, आप मलय चक्रवर्ती नहीं बन सकते. प्लीज मत बनो. उसके जैसा आपका भी दिल टूटता रहेगा फिर. हाय. Come, thank you so much. Who am I?
Time how we present ourselves.
Yeah, we are emerging brand.
To step out of this place on the 21st of March, 7 p.m. in the evening. How many people will be queuing outside this hotel to give you work?
Or if we win, then only, na? What? We are already there.
I don't. And success. Was I the topper in school? Yes, I was the topper. I was the topper. हमारे बैच में 55 होते थे, and I was always between 50 and 55. You knew that? Very good. Don't get into my life history so much. As it is, have somebody who's tracking my Insta and saying, I know how many girls told you I love you. Because this guy also happens to be my digital marketer. कुछ जो होता है, वीडियो जो होता है मेरे वेबसाइट में, सब यही करता है, इसका ही कांड है. हाँ, कांड. In most cases, the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3 are never the winners. In most cases, people who don't get that number 1 and the number 2 and the number 3 develop that mental power and say, I will prove to the world that you were wrong by not making me number 1, number 2, number 3. Do you have that in you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Do you have that in you?
Yes.
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes. You see on 21st.
I don't want to see on 21st. I want to see on 21st March 2022 where you are. I don't want to see you on 21st March. I'm not coming here on 21st March. Even though they call me one of the platinum sponsors or whatever, I'm not coming here because I don't want to see. I want to see all of you on 21st March 2022 where you have taken your life to after all the struggle that you've gone through. Huh?
Cake. Boiled egg, Gurji cake.
I use egg on my hair.
Bake it. Na?
I use egg on my hair.
जिस दिन वो अंडा अंदर से टूटता है, it gives you new life. अंडा अगर बाहर से टूटता है, it gives you an omelette. Now your life is in your hand. You decide whether I will become an omelette by an external pressure forcing me to change, or my change will be from inside and I will transform into new life. So today you have to promise to yourself that I will be that egg that will break from inside. May not be today, may not be today, maybe tomorrow, maybe 2 months later, but that egg has to break from inside. Why men? Don't disturb. There are 3% of people on this planet and 97% people on this side. Anybody knows who they are? There's 3% this side and 97% this side. Sorry?
97% is for under pressure.
No. 3% this side and 97% this side.
3% of them are broken from inside.
Very close. When we were born on this planet, the Almighty out there sent us to this planet wanting us to be successful. But 97% of the people die mediocre. Only 3% of the world's population are truly, truly successful. We've achieved something in life. Now, choice is ours. When we were born that day, mediocrity was not an option. You have to decide whether you want to adopt mediocrity or you want to become successful. For me, mediocrity is never an option. Because every one of us, like someone rightly said out there, we are unique. We are unique in something. And in that something, we can become truly successful. आज मैं आपको एक एक्सरसाइज दे रहा हूं. ये अगर आप करती रहोगी, रोज करती रहोगी, and today what I'm going to do from now to 4:15 is all things that you can actually implement in your life. मैं ज्ञान देने यहाँ पे नहीं आया हूं. Take that piece of paper and write down 10 things that you really, really want or desire from life. 10 things. This is what we call the power of idealization. सोचो, don't ever think whether I can do it or I can't do it. सोचो कि मेरे पास आज एक मैजिक वॉन्ड होता, उसको मैं घुमाती तो ये मेरे पास आ जाता. सोचो अगर मेरे पास कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं होता और मैं कुछ भी करना चाहती तो क्या होता. सोचो कि मेरे पास आज ये है, मुझे चाहिए. There is no limit. There is no roadblock on this world. There is nothing in this world that is holding me back. सोचो, what are those mindset issues that are holding you back from becoming successful? सोचो, अगर कुछ नहीं होता, मेरे पास सिर्फ एक मैजिक वॉन्ड होता कि मैं ये सब कुछ कर सकती. Ten things that you want to achieve in this life. That day when the Almighty decides to take us out of this planet and we have been transformed from Malloy to a body lying on the crematorium waiting for that fire to be lit. उस दिन अगर मेरे पास 5 सेकंड होता सुनने का, what would I want to hear from the people around me? मैं क्या सुनना चाहता? मैं ये नहीं सुनूंगा, कभी नहीं कोई बोलता इसके पास 100 करोड़ है कि 200 करोड़ है कि 300, कोई नहीं बोलता पैसे के बारे में. वो क्या सुनना चाहता है? What are those 10 things that you really want to achieve from this life? Not कि आज मैं घर जाके 2 पैक विस्की पीऊंगी. No, nothing of that. What are the 10 things that you really want to achieve from this life? What are those 10 things that keep you awake at night? What are those 10 things that give you a kick on the backside every morning? कि उठो, जागो. बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. The biggest tragedy of life is I do not know whether I live tomorrow. But I still have to plan for 10 years hence. And 20 years hence. कि मुझे तो 80 साल तक जीना है, तो मुझे 30 साल का प्लानिंग करना है, लेकिन कल मैं जीऊंगा नहीं जीऊंगा पता ही नहीं. Who told us that we are a tree and we can't shift from here to here? बोला है किसी ने हमको चेंज नहीं करना? हाँ, एक ही जन बोला है, don't change. My mind has told me, no, please don't change. फिर से मत यार, कुछ मत करो यार, बहुत तकलीफ देते हो दिमाग को. She knows, Neetu knows. I have a cloud kitchen as well. Bengali cuisine. करते रहते नया कुछ. I have 4 businesses today in the last 4 years, 5 years. कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं ना. Fail होगा ना. We are professional failures. 10 things that you do in life, 9 you will fail. एक में success आएगा. So you are professional failures. किस चीज का डर है?
What if it risks your entire earnings and your family would come to street?
So what? So what? So what?
Earn again family.
So what? Risk. Why not? Why not?
Who will feed my family?
Figure out a way where you have a second income before you give up your first. You know, you're earning, you're employed. You know what is the biggest, before we get into the final phase, give it 5 minutes more extra. What is the biggest addiction in life?
Money.
Biggest addiction in life.
What people will think about comfort.
Biggest addiction in life is not alcohol, it's not cigarette, it is not drugs, it is not women for men, it is not men for women. No. Biggest addiction in life is that SMS that comes on the 30th of the month that your salary is credited. That is the biggest addiction. That addiction stops you from taking action the next month. चलो 30 दिन और आ गया ना, और 30 दिन बाद अरे बेकार गया महीना, कुछ नहीं हुआ काम, जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं हुआ, ये बॉस भी ऐसा करते हैं, वो भी वो करता है, लेकिन 30 तारीख को SMS आया, टक, मनी इन द बैंक, चलो ऑफिस से शांति. हाँ, that is the addiction. The earlier you break that addiction, plan. Don't take hasty steps. I wanted to start my business. I started teaching. I've been teaching for 22 years now. I teach in Bombay, Delhi, Dubai, Singapore. I teach. In COVID, I was teaching for 16 hours in a day. पैसा आया ना? पैसा आने दो ना. Because of that source of income, at the age of 46, I gave up a 70 lakhs rupee salary income and said, भाड़ में जा, देखते हैं क्या होगा. डर लगा. चला, जिंदगी चल गई. कट गया. I am not lucky. Luck is made. Luck is made. डर जिसको है वो luck कभी नहीं आएगा उसके पास. ओके, तो मैंने आपको एक्टिविटी दे दिया. अगर ये 3 घंटे का सेशन होता तो और भी आपका दिमाग में खाता, लेकिन अभी 15 मिनट का एक्टिविटी है. ओके ओके, आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू क्लोज योर आईज. I want you to spread your hands in front of you, open palms, and start visualizing the person you love the most. The person you love the most. And as you visualize that person, it could be your parents, it could be your spouse, it could be your children, it could be anybody. We are not defining relationships here. Hold that person and bring that person. Who is the next one? All those people that we take us for granted. सबके बारे में सोचो, एक-एक करके visualize करो. Hold that person and bring that person to your heart and say, thank you for being there. Thank you for being there with me. Look at all the faces who's impacting your life. It could be friends, it could be family, it could be your spouse, it could be your children, it could be your... And you do this every single morning before your day starts, and you will see your life transform. If your life doesn't transform in the next 21 days, you can tell me and say that, sir, you are a failure. Now think about all those materialistic things. Madam, you can't do that. Please close your eyes and think about it. Please do that, because sense of gratitude is very important, right? You cannot stand, you cannot spread your hands, no problem, but just think about it. Now think about all those materialistic things that we take for granted. My house, which gives me peace. My car, my bike, my cycle, my phone, everything that gives me peace. Hold on to them. That sense of gratitude that I have them but I'm taking them for granted is killing all of us. Visualize everything that you have around you. Now think about yourself. Think about your eyes, the power to see. Think about your ears, the power to hear. Think if your hands are paining, you can drop them, please. Please don't force yourself, please don't stress yourself. Think about your eyes, think about your ears, think about your tongue, think about your digestive system. All that is working today. All that is working, and hence we are what we are today. And say thank you to all those senses. When I wake up in the morning, I open my eyes and I see this beautiful world. Say thank you. I hear the birds chirping.